Hey guys, Jack Scalfani here. I just want to say hello, how you doing? Today we're doing something other than chips, other than popcorn. These are healthier snacks because we need to be eating healthier. So we're going to go through about 5 new things that I found. In fact, I found them all at one store. I found them at World Market. If you've never gone to World Market, it's kind of interesting. They've got really bizarre stuff there. Before I get started, I want to thank cuttingboard.com for sending us a brand new cutting board for the show. I'm going to leave it on the show. You'll be able to watch how it holds up and make a decision, for yourself on whether the cutting board's worth it. If it digs in, it's a nice hardwood. I'm not sure what it's made out of. They also sent us a food grade mineral oil and a commercial cutting board. So thank you, cuttingboard.com. There'll be a link down below. I want to thank you guys for sending a new cutting board to the show. First one we're going to try is honey bourbon brisket beef jerky. And then there's Thai chili mango. I hate mango, so that'll be an interesting one. And then we have pork rinds. Looking at garlic thyme pork rinds by Pork Clouds. We'll try those out. Okay, we're gonna then buy You Gotta Be Nuts. This is smoky bacon and blue cheese almonds. This one is rosemary and Meyer lemon almonds. And this one, obviously we're going nuts. This one is pistachios. Cracked pepper and curry pistachios. I want to thank you guys for all your well wishes and prayers. Since I've been sitting around doing nothing, I've been wanting to snack on things, and I can't. So this might be a good video to find out what's good. I'm really excited about the pork rinds. I think the pork rinds are going to be good, so I'm going to leave those for last. Here we go. So the first one I'm going to try is smoky bacon and blue cheese. All right, these are good. So I'll put the good over here. No, just because it has bacon in it. Another almond. All right, the next one is rosemary and Meyer lemon. I snuck one before filming. It's so sour. Yeah, we're not gonna eat those ever again. Those are really bad. Cracked pepper and curry pistachios. Resealable. All right, here we go. Okay. This one had too much lemon. It has no flavor at all. Weird, because it's cracked pepper and curry. You would think it would have flavor. So we like the pistachios. And we like the almonds with bacon. But we don't like the almonds with lemon. Here we go with True Jerky. This is the Sweet Heat. Thai chili mango. All right. I hope I don't burn my guts out. I love beef jerky. So good. So good. I can taste the chili. I can feel the heat coming in. So that's good. Here we go. Bourbon. Do I hate bourbon? Oh, yeah. This is honey bourbon brisket. A lot of bourbon. I don't taste any honey. So the honey bourbon brisket, it doesn't have a big honey flavor, not very sweet, but it does have a bourbon. That's a keeper. Gonna keep that right off to the side. Pork Clouds, fried pork rinds. Do you guys like garlic? Do you guys like thyme like I do? I love garlic and thyme. So this ought to be awesome. They're kind of dry. Yeah. They're okay. I'll keep them. And you know what? No, they're not good. I didn't care for them. They're too dry. So the one with the lemon and the garlic thyme pork rinds, that's going away. And I'm keeping everything else. All right, you guys. So if you want me to try some snacks or you have some good ideas, put them down in the comments below and I'll try them out. In the meantime, check out our sauces on Amazon, and I'll see you on the next episode.